What are you going to do? Alright, are we going to have wall art?
No.
Here, look. Let's make a smiley face. Smile! With the purple crayon too? Look, it makes the colors. What do you have? Say, hi, Daddy.
Dad.
Say, Daddy. Come on over with these crayons. Look. You gonna try some more crayon coloring? Sit down. Sit down. Gonna try some more coloring? Yellow's probably not the best one to put on that paper. Why don't you try purple? Good job! Where are you going? You put all the crayons up.